Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel, Joinks TV. So for today's video guys, I would like to share with you our trip. I'm with my squad, my Perlas ng Siglangan squad. So right now we're going to the province. We're now here at Magallanes, Cavite, and we're going to try this new camping site here. It's called Tara Camper. So titingnan natin kung anong meron sa loob, what's in store for us on this vacation. We're going here for an overnight trip. And we've seen on their Facebook page that they have camper vans. And for the Perlas, this is the first time that we will experience an overnight stay in a camper van. So let's see what's inside of this Tara Camper camping site. Let's go! Di ba gusto nyo sa van? So we will be staying here. So guys, there are 3 na bahay dito. So ito yung isa, yan. Yung parang Ifugao house nila. Then the other one is the mini camper van. And what we had is the big camper van. Yan, ito. Yung big camper van. Yan, so it's a very good place. Ang pakalaki. And I'm sure maganda din to sa gabi. Tapos they have free na bonfire din mamayang gabi. So magbo-bonfire kami mamayang gabi. So it's a very exclusive place. If you're family, pwede nyo kunin lahat to para exclusive sa inyo. And very affordable guys. So it's here in Magallanes, Cavite. So I'll put here the link below. Birthday surprise for Hepe. Hala, ganyan talaga. Hindi yung ano. Nakatulad na sa akin. Dalawa pa naman yung ganun. Dalawa. Tapos dalawa din daw dyan. Kaya 6. Maandar kaya yun dito. This vacation is very important for us as friends. mahirap magtugma-tugma yung schedules namin because of work. But once na magkaroon kami ng schedule na okay kami pare-pareho, we make sure to go out. Kung hindi man coffee, we try to have it kahit ganito na quick overnight lang sa malapit. We wanted sana na lumayo or what, but because of our schedule, yung ganitong malapitan lang na alis is okay for all of us. Importante, magkakasama kami and magkakaroon kami ng quality time. Katulad nito, kwentuhan, di ba? Sobrang busy lahat sa work, pero at least we make time to pause for a while and kamustahin yung isa't isa. Yun. Yun na naman yung essence ng friendship, diba guys? So, ang sarap lang nung gantong moment na, kamusta ka na? Diba? So, I hope everyone, ganun din kayo with your friends. You make time to go out with them and it's an effort to have a quality time with your friends. So, yun. Ang sarap lang ng ganito, diba guys? Yun! So, andito na si Hepe, saka si Gagay. Hi! Hi! Asa ba si Kuya? Diyan ka na lang, oh. Kuya, sa pwede mag-park? 10-10-5. Okay, back to basic. Nemia and Fina on the go. Yan. 10 minutes. Timer starts now. Ito naman po ay pansit. Isa lang. Sa alin? Yung isa maanghang. O, yung isa. Yung isa parang ano na eh. Parang binagoongan. Paulam. Pero parang masarap. Sa'yo yung maanghang syempre. Okay. So, yan po yung ano, pag-uong. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May dessert na tayo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Wish. Yay! Kaya sa gusto ko, yung ano, nakalimutan. And of course, after the dinner, syempre may konting inuman. Konti na lang ngayon kasi hindi na namin kaya magstay ng sobrang hanggang madaling araw. Not unlike before na hanggang 5-6 a.m. umiinom kami. No, hindi na namin kaya yun ngayon. And ito na yung mga moment na to guys. So yan, kanya-kanyang sharing na yan ng mga kanilang mga pinagdadaanan sa buhay or mga small wins sa buhay namin. Ito na yung sharing namin na magkakaibigan. And ang sarap lang na feeling na meron kang ganitong kaibigan na pwede mong sabihin lahat na hindi ka i-judge. Tama ba? Hindi na ba ako i-judge? So yun, na pwede mong sabihin anything that you want. Diba? Sarap lang ng ganon. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Morning! So my advice for everyone is to treasure your friends and appreciate them, value them. If you have your own circle of friends also like mine, make sure that you have a quality time with them. You make an effort. It's really hard to make an effort because of your busy schedule, but you really have to make an effort to be with them and just enjoy the moment with them. Tomorrow is never promised, so just enjoy every moment with your friends and be happy. dito sa Magallanes, Cavite. Thank you very much! Kuya Sam, say hi to my vlog. Yun, thank you kuya. Yan, subscribe ka kuya sa channel ko. Thank you. Thank you very much kuya. Invite mo sila dito. Tara campers, Magallanes, Cavite.